Hello and welcome to the channel of Ink Monk, and I am Indraneel. So this is going to be the final part of our Dhenkanal trip where we discover Sapua Dam and Ansupa Lake, and while returning we discover a surprise spot along the way. So without further ado, let's get into it. So last time we went to a ecotourism park called Saptasajya, and in the second part of the vlog we decided to come to another place called Sapua Water Project. Now this is a dam that is built on river Mahanadi. And in the recent times, particularly during this pandemic, this place has been getting a lot of attraction from Instagram lovers. So we thought of checking out this place for real. So let's just hop in and see how this place fares. So this is where the spot is. Some seriously very good scenic beauty, and you've got a parking over there, and then you get up to the dam. So let's check out how it actually looks like. So this was about Sapua Water Project, and what is seriously concerning, I think that should be for the government, is although it's beautiful, but if you actually come to this place and have a look around, it is littered to the greatest possible extent. Everywhere you're going to find PET bottles, you've got booze glasses everywhere, disposables everywhere, you've got things written on the wall. I think government should do something to actually make it a tourist place rather than just leaving it just like that. It's advisable to come with your family. Obviously you've got loads of normal people even, but still I think in terms of the hygiene of the place, it's pretty depressing. Although the scenic beauty is too good, but seriously the hygiene is totally off the gate. So would seriously request people who are visiting here to keep the place clean rather than just littering it all over. Well, from Sapua Water Project, we decided to come to another small little water body which is called as Ansupa Lake. So that is from Dhenkanal to this road. Again, you've got pretty distinct demarcations, so there'll be no problem going to Ansupa Water Lake. So let's see how this water body looks like. So this is the Ansupa. You have a bit of an ecotourism park again, something like the Saptasajya one, but it is temporarily closed, so hard luck for us. And as you can see, the lake is just on the other side. The view will be better if we go down the road. We'll try capturing it. But again, very calm and very peaceful place. On the way, we find river Mahanadi, and as usual, you can only call it beautiful. Yeah, we had no plans to actually go down to any other places after Ansupa Lake. You know, we were going back to Bhubaneswar, but around 30 kilometers, we are still about 25 to 30 kilometers away from Bhubaneswar. So we suddenly found this place. Main road से थोड़ा नीचे जाना पड़ता है, and this is Mahanadi. The spot is again. Just have a look. Seriously, this place is heavenly. Or if you just listen to the river flowing and the whole ambience, it's heavenly. So with this, that was the end of this part of the vlog, where we actually first visit the dam of Sapua, then we come down to Ansupa. Although the distance between both of them, they are not in congruence with on the road, but we actually took a bit of divergence to actually go and visit Ansupa Lake. Ansupa Lake as a place, that's very lush green, but temporarily it's closed. But on the way, when we found this spot, this is nothing special, but this is the spot probably which really made our day. Heavenly feeling, the noise of the river flowing and everything. It's truly amazing. So we end our vlog with this, and I hope you guys enjoyed the trip, enjoyed the video, and please do subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. You guys can even follow us on Instagram as well as Facebook. So that was all about the trip to Dhenkanal. Thanks a lot.